See this branch? The leaves are vibrant. Yes, and the flowers are healthy. The fruits here are ripening well.
Modern irrigation lines deliver water precisely to loquat roots, sustaining loquat growth in arid soil.
See this branch? It's blocking sunlight. Yes, I see. I'll trim it now. Good. Now the lower ones. This will help the fruit grow. Exactly. Let's keep going. The soil texture here is excellent. The loquats are thriving. Yes, the drainage is perfect. Let's check the pH levels. This sample is balanced. It's optimal. Agreed. Premium quality is assured. These loquats are perfect this year. Yes, a good harvest. Fill the baskets.
These small yellow ones are perfect for the premium boxes. Yes, and the larger orange ones for the standard grade. Let's keep them separate to avoid mixing. Agreed, consistency is key.
Water pressure is stable. Fruits are moving through the wash. Confirmed. Brush speed is optimal for pollination. Polishing complete. Cycle time is efficient. Ready for the next batch.
Refrigerated storage rooms preserve loquat freshness under carefully regulated conditions.
Check the seal on these crates. Seals are good. Load them. Loading the first pallet now. Good. Secure them tightly. All secure, sir.
Cargo planes prepared for export highlight the international demand for loquat fruit.
Fresh loquats. The best you'll find. They look good. How much? 2 for $1. Taste one. All right. I'll take 4. Excellent choice. The loquat's subtle sweetness pairs beautifully with the scallop.
And this poached chicken with loquat sauce is divine.
Dicing them finely releases their flavor.
Our loquat tart is the perfect finale.
The loquat fruit is rich in vitamins A and C and antioxidants. Yes, it also has dietary fiber, which is great for digestion. And its natural sugars provide a healthy energy boost. Absolutely. The loquat extract results look promising. Check the vitamins.
Loading the sample now. Analysis complete. We have B1, B2, and C.
Excellent. Note the concentrations. This is significant. The drip lines here will optimize water flow to the roots. Agreed. Let's check the efficiency projections. This model shows a 35% reduction in usage. Excellent. This design is perfect for the loquats. The spacing seems tight. We need optimal airflow for the loquats. Yes, and light penetration. This row is denser. Exactly. Wider spacing will boost yield by 15-20%. Good. Let's adjust the plan.
Let's start with the valves. I'll check the pressure. Good. Tighten this one. All set. The sun is high. We need to pick faster. Keep the rows clear. Fill every basket. Check for ripeness. No green fruit. Like this. A gentle twist.
This chart shows Loquat production has grown steadily since 2015. In 2023, the Algeria variety led overall production. The map highlights key production regions in Asia and the Mediterranean. The seedlings are thriving in this controlled humidity. Yes, the leaf development is excellent. Observe the root structure, it's very robust. Indeed, this batch is ready for the next trial. Let's review the Loquat export documents. The quantity and certificates match. Phytosan certificate is valid. Excellent. Let's sign and approve.
This one feels firm. Ready for the crate. Let me check. Yes, perfect. Good. How are the others? All firm. This batch is excellent. Great. Let's pack them.
These diagrams on water conservation are excellent. Yes, and the soil health section is very clear. Let's add notes on local pest here. Good idea. I'll mark that now. So many farmers.
The Loquat harvest was excellent. We must expand. Yes, the soil here is perfect. We should form a cooperative for seedlings and training. A wise plan. It will benefit everyone.
Welcome. Today we explore groundbreaking technologies revolutionizing. Excellent question. Our models show a 20% cost reduction, making it viable for small operations. Adjusting the probe now. Readings are low. Calibrate to 30. Calibrated. It's stable at 30. Good. Let's check the next section. See this branch? It's too crowded. We cut here, at the base. So it gets more sunlight. Exactly. More light, more fruit. I see. Sealing this row for export now.
Labels are ready. Applying to the crates. This batch is cleared for shipment.
The global Loquat market is experiencing steady growth, driven by rising demand for natural health products. Key trends include increased production in Asia post-Migos for positive market fundamentals.
Welcome. This is our main Loquat grove, over 50 hectares. Impressive scale. What are your average yields? 15 tons per hectare with premium market prices. And the fruit quality? Let's see. Of course.
The South District shows a 12% growth.
Good.
Any anomalies in the North? None.
The model is stable. We should optimize for peak season.
Agreed. Update the projections.
Line is running smoothly. Keep a close eye on batch integrity. Understood? This batch is clear. Moving to grading. Confirmed. All parameters are optimal.
Fresh load coming in. Right here on the table. These look perfect.
Sorting them now.
Let's see if these leaves show good health. Look at the vibrant green and strong veins. Yes, no spots. They look very healthy. Agreed. A good sign for the crop.
The Rotterdam shipment is set for the 15th. We need to confirm the cartons. Confirmed. Safe Fruit Lines has 5,000 cartons ready. All quality checks passed. Good. Market finalized. Shanghai and Dubai schedules are solid. Understood. Loquats are rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, supporting vision, skin, and immune health. They provide minerals like potassium for heart health and magnesium for muscle function. Loquats aid digestion and protect against oxidative stress.
The solar array is powering the Loquat facilities efficiently. Output is steady, sir. No drops. Good. Check this panel for dust accumulation. Clear, sir. Performance is optimal. Let's look at this one. The fruits are smaller. Yes, but the tree is very vigorous. The color is a light yellow-orange. Now, compared to this one, larger and brighter. A clear difference. Pressure seems low here. We need to adjust it. Yes, let's increase it. The trees look thirsty. There, that's better. The flow is strong now. Good. Let's check the next section. For next season's loquats, we must assess the soil here. The drainage is good, but the sun exposure? This area gets full sun. It's suitable. Good. Let's plant the rows.
Let's check the beta-carotene levels in these loquats. Extracting the sample now for the spectrophotometer. The readings are coming in. This shows high antioxidant contents.
Zone A has the best soil. We start the expansion here. Agreed. Zone B is suitable for phase 2. Good. We'll need to consider the water source. Precisely. The map confirms it. Let's proceed. How much for the loquats? $3 a pound. That's too high. I'll take 20 pounds at $2.50. $2.80 is the best I can do. All right, deal. Good. I'll weigh them. Line A for loquats, ready for Singapore. Copy. Lifting the export stack. Label applied. Proceed to Bay 4. Colleagues, we must discuss sustainable loquat farming. Yes, drip irrigation is key for water conservation. And organic methods improve soil and fruit quality. Agreed. Let's integrate these innovations.
All loquats here meet the size and color standards. Yes, and the packaging is secure. Check the weight. Weight's confirmed, this batch is approved. Good. Seal them and move to the next.
The canopy is getting too dense. I'll clear the base then.
Let's confirm the export standards for this batch. Agreed, I'll check the size and color uniformity. Firmness is good, no signs of bruising. Excellent, this meets our criteria for export. The decay rate accelerates after day 5. Yes, and humidity is the key variable. Look at the graph. The slope changes here.
That confirms it. We need controlled humidity.
The report shows a strong yield this year. Yes, a 10% increase. The charts here confirm it. Good. We should expand these practices. Agreed. Let's review the quality data. Brothers, the loquat harvest is a triumph. Yes, the trees are overflowing. God is great. Our work has paid off. To another great season. To the harvest!
Final quality checks ensure each loquat meets premium standards.